What's up, YouTubers? This is Blindboxguy here with an opening of the Blizzard treasure chest Timewalkers that they had on sale in December. I bought 2 boxes to see what they have inside. We'll see if it's just like a bunch of rejects that they had or it's actual cool stuff. So it's supposed to come with the pin, 3 Funko Pops, cute but deadly figure, and some badges. So we're gonna open all of it up today and we'll see what they got. Here we go. All right, so the first thing that they have inside here, okay, we got the Murloc. So we knew that was gonna be part of it. So they got the Murloc Funko Pop glow in the dark. All right, so it's in pretty good, actually really good shape. So Murloc. We got a Genji, Overwatch Genji Funko Pop. It's like a Power Ranger version or something like that. So Genji, I haven't played Overwatch in a long time. So, but I am a big old school Blizzard fan. So I was a big StarCraft 1 fan. So it comes with a Funko Pop. We got our Blizzard badges. So these are the possible things that you can get right there. So my favorite would probably be the Hydralisk and Nova. Again, I'm a bigger StarCraft fan. We got a May, Pachimeri, and Snowmari plush. So it looks pretty cool to me. I kind of like it. And apparently, I squeak. So they squeak. So that's what we got there. We also got a Lucio. This is a support from Overwatch. Lucio. I think it's like the Ribbit version or something like that. DJ Lucio. And then we got 2 cute but deadly figures, which we're going to pop open in a bit. I'm going to open my second box to see what they have there. All right, so here we go. Our second Timewalker box. We'll see if it's repeats or it's actually different stuff. If it's the same thing, it's just that they're just trying to get rid of their stuff. And they do it as a grab bag. So it looks like it's going to be the same thing. We got a May. Yeah, same thing. So I think they're just trying to get rid of the older things. Genji. It's cool, though, because it's exclusive stuff. So Murloc, 30-year anniversary. I think this is like the prize right here. What everybody really wants. We got, the Cuba Deadly series. Oh, this is series 5, okay. And series 3. Lucio, of course. And our Blizzard badges. All right, so let's go ahead. I'll showcase these right here. So 2, Genji, Murloc, Genji, all right, World of Warcraft. All right, so that's what we got so far. Let's go and open our badge and see what we get. So hopefully I can get a Hydralisk. That's my favorite. All right, so our badges are question mark from Hearthstone. I think this is from Warcraft. And the shield. No idea where it's from. So, all right, come on, Hydralisk. Oh, no Hydralisk. Deadlock Rebels. We got the Overwatch bear and another question mark for this particular set. All right. And then we got our cute but deadly. Let me open the series 3 first, and then we'll go with series 5. Series 3, I think the mystery figure is a Reaper, a Shadow Reaper. So I did play Overwatch a little bit. So let's go and see what we have. Nice big old bag right here. And we have, oh, Genji. So it looks pretty cool to me. So little Genji right here. All right. Let's see what we have here. Oh. There you go. Big old bag here. Let's see what we get. Hanzo. So we got the brothers. So we indirectly got the brothers. I'm gonna go ahead and move the light over here a little bit. Hanzo and Genji is what we received. All right. Let's see what we get for Series 5. So the Timewalker thing it's not too bad. For $12.50, you get pretty much all you saw in one box. I don't think they have it no more, but it took them a while to ship out. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with the loot. We have a little plate. Oh, Zenyatta. Support from Overwatch. And again, these are Overwatch cute but deadly figures. All right, and then Series 5. I think the best one in here is probably Mercy. Mercy's like the coolest one. I played Mercy a lot. I either played Mercy or Reinhardt when I played Overwatch. Like I said, it's been a good minute since I played it. All right, last figure. This bag's a little bigger. Let's see what we get. Oh, Mercy. That's the exact one I was talking about. So Mercy, we got Mercy. My favorite support. So this is the Mercy figure right here. Yeah, I actually got what I wanted. Nice. All right, guys. Hope you guys like this unbagging of the Blizzard Timewalker Bundle. So if you were curious of what it was or what they had, this is what came with it. So you got 2 boxes from this series, the Cute but Deadly series, from Series 3 and Series 4, Series 3 and Series 5. You got a Blizzard badge booster pack. You got a Pachimari Snowmari May version, Lucio exclusive, Genji exclusive, and a Murloc 30th anniversary exclusive, which also goes in the dark, by the way. So I'll add that. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, comment, like. I might do a giveaway on one of my Lucio figures. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we got any Overwatch fans out there. But I'll see you guys next time.